We are looking at how the markets are shaping up as of now. And to get your technical perspective on the market, we are now joined by Aditya Arora, who's the founder and multi-asset research analyst. Adlytick. Hi, Aditya. Thank you so much for joining us today. Aditya, the general short-term trend says that there is weakness in the market. Now, today we broke below the 22,800 levels. Now, if we close in below 22,800, even though we see some recovery coming in, but if we are to close below 22,800, then what are the levels that we could go down to? Analysts even are penciling in a 22,670 level. What are the levels that you are working on the benchmark?
Very good noon to you and to everyone. Look, today Nifty closed, breached the lows of previous few days, but didn't manage to close below it as of now, at least. And along with that, if we see the strength of various heavyweights like Reliance, which is doing pretty well. Look at Bajaj Finserv, which is trading at 52-week high, which is a major heavyweight in Fin Nifty. So I think a lot of stocks are doing well in this market, and especially the heavyweights are pretty strong and managing to, respect its important support. So I don't see much downside on the index in the near term. I think after testing it slow, there's scope for some recovery in the market. So I'm in the camp where I believe the trend is neutral to bullish, although FIs are heavily short in the derivative space and cash market also. There's heavy selling every day, so that is bound to create pressure. But I feel that once this stabilizes, or the figures are little less bearish, this could be an opportunity for bulls to make a comeback. So I think I'm in the camp which believes that there is scope for recovery till levels like 22,950 to 23,250. So I remain little constructive on the market, and I think the trend is buy on dips.
All right, that's the take on the benchmark indices. But Aditya, give us your sense on the pharma pack as well, because that's the only sector that is still holding on to the shade of green. And after the recent correction, well, of course, that we have seen. But what's your take on the sector and any stock that stands out for you, Aditya?
For sure, after a good fall on Friday, we have seen tables done today on Monday morning, where a lot of pharma counters are doing well. And if we talk about Nifty Pharma Index, then it's trading at 20,016. So let's establish stop loss for this, that is 20,500. Until the index is respecting its support of 20,500, I think one should remain constructive on Nifty Pharma Index, and there's scope for recovery till 21,500, which is highs of Friday. So I remain constructive on Pharma Index, and if I had to talk about any stock from the Pharma Index, then I think Glenmark is one of the counter where we also had advised long to our clients in the morning, and we have booked the longs over there. Just a disclaimer, but I still believe that if the view is positional, then Glenmark looks good at 1380. Stop loss should be 1280, and target should be 1480. So overall, it looks a buy on dip candidate, and the sector looks buy on dips.
All right, Aditya. So, you've spoken about the pharma pack. Now, tell us sectorally, generally, what's fascinating you? What do you have your eyes on? What are the sectors that you see value in? And are there any picks, any buy calls coming in this market?
I think one should focus on only buy in such market. The sentiments have moved to very extreme. People are very pessimistic. Everyone is talking about crash. But technically, if you look, then most of the stocks are trading at the important moving average. So at this point, shorting could be a very bad idea because risk reward is not favorable. Because if any stock falls below, it would again come to its support level of the moving average. So I think there's scope for recovery. Only thing which could spoil the party is correction in the international market. If things remain status quo in the international market, then I think everyone should focus on their best buying picks. So I remain very constructive, and the sector which I like is Nifty FMCG space. This pocket is known for being having low beta effect, or they don't fall much, they don't rise much. I think this is the space where one could be constructive. So Nifty FMCG space is currently trading at 52,700 and the support lies at 52,000 to 52,500. So this is one of the good pockets where I think the strength could return. And second, I like Reliance also. Look at Reliance, it's supporting and respecting its important support of 1200 1180. So I think over here also there's scope for some recovery. So I remain constructive on Reliance also. And I have other pharma names also where I remain
Yeah.
constructive.
All right, Aditya, with this, we'll let you go on that. Duly noted that you are constructive on Big Boy Reliance, FMCG, and pharma as a space, and one should really look at buying opportunities.